One of the most inspiring motivational stories is that of Thomas Edison, the American inventor and businessman known for creating the electric light bulb. Thomas Edison was not born a genius. In fact, he faced many challenges growing up. As a child, he was curious and eager to learn, but struggled in traditional school settings. His teachers considered him difficult, and he was eventually homeschooled by his mother. Edison had a thirst for knowledge and spent hours reading every book he could find. Developing a strong sense of self-discipline and determination, Edison's journey to invent the light bulb was not smooth or quick. He faced thousands of failures and setbacks. It is said that Edison tested over 1,000 different materials before finding the right filament that would work in his electric light bulb. When a reporter asked him about his repeated failures, Edison famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This mindset is what set Edison apart. Instead of seeing failures as roadblocks, he saw them as steps on the path to success. His perseverance and inventiveness eventually led to a breakthrough that changed the world forever. The electric light bulb illuminated homes and streets, transforming nighttime life and boosting productivity. Edison's story teaches us that success rarely comes overnight. It requires patience, resilience, and a belief in oneself even when faced with rejection or failure. His inventions didn't just stop with the light bulb. Edison held over 1,000 patents, contributing to advancements in sound recording, motion pictures, and electrical power generation. What makes Edison truly motivational is his relentless spirit. He turned obstacles into opportunities and never gave up on his dreams. In today's world, where challenges are common, Edison's story reminds us that the key to achievement lies in persistence and continuous effort. Whether you are facing academic struggles, career obstacles, or personal challenges, remember Thomas Edison. His life is proof that with passion, hard work, and an unyielding attitude, remarkable achievements are possible, and the impossible can be made possible. Keep pushing forward, because just like Edison, your next attempt could be the one that changes everything.